The 2023 model is a facelift of the second-generation vehicle, boasting significant improvements over its predecessor. Its exterior is truly striking, with the facelift introducing a new frameless grille akin to the 508 Saloon, aggressive front and rear lights and slots in the front wings that seem to bleed from the front grille. It's a 5-seat family car that manages to sidestep many of the SUV tropes. It is practical without being overly large and manages to be stylish without being overly conscious about it. Engine-wise, several options are available. These include a small turbo petrol, a turbo diesel, and a pair of hybrids. All versions come with front-wheel drive as standard, except for the Hybrid 4. The plug-in hybrids are particularly on point in terms of trendy tax-friendliness. The top-spec model even has an all-wheel drive mode and an impressive 36 miles of fully electric range given regular plugging in. Pricing for the model range starts around £29,435 for an active premium plus spec car with the traditional 1.2 PureTech petrol manual setup. The price goes up to £47,380 for the fully loaded hybrid 4300e EAT8. The model makes its extra size and height feel genuinely useful. Despite the surprisingly low curb weight, it's not hampered by its additional heft over other models. One of the major highlights is the vehicle's interior. Despite the initial spaceship-esque first impression, the features combine to make the interior an easygoing place to be. Digital dials are standard on every version and are easily customized via a simple scroll button on the steering wheel. An enlarged media screen and a huge central storage bin are among the other notable features. In conclusion, if you're considering purchasing an SUV, this vehicle certainly stands as one of the top choices in the market. Its interior and wealth of tech are among its strong points, making it an enticing option for potential buyers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.